Okay, so for this video, pag-usapan natin kung paano ba mag-operate adding and subtracting significant figures and also in the multiplication and division of such. Now on the left side, we have here the processes. This time, focus muna tayo sa adding and subtracting significant figures kasi may counting difference lang naman with the multiplication and division of significant figures. So count the number of significant figures of each given. Although this is an option, pag sa addition and subtraction, mas mahalaga ito pag nag-multiplication and division of significant figures. And then perform the operation on the given problem in a normal fashion. So yung normal way ng pag-add and pagsasubtract. And then finally, round your answer to the least number of decimal places. Take note, least number. So may mga given tayo, tapos syempre titingnan natin alin dyan yung may pinakaunting decimal numbers or decimal places, and then yung number of decimal places na iyon, yun ang i-consider natin sa ating final answer. So let us have here an example. 1.586 plus 2.31. Okay, so meron tayong dalawang set of quantities or measurements kung sabihin din natin dito. Isa ay si 1.586 and it has 3 decimal places, and then overall it has 4 significant figures. And then si 2.31, it has 2 decimal places and overall it has 3 significant figures. So add natin ito in a normal way. Kung paano tayo usually mag-add. Diba? Kung pwede kayong gumamit ng calcu, go lang. Pero kung sakali man na wala kayong calcu or you're not allowed to use calcu, remember lang na kapag tayo ay mag-add ng mga values or even magsasubtract, magkakapantay yung mga decimal points natin. So kung susulat natin 1.586 plus 2.31. Okay, so magkakapantay yung mga decimal points. So we add them usually. So ito ngayon ay magiging 6, tapos 9, and then 8.3. So the final answer now is 3.896. Pero round your answers to the least number of decimal place. Ang basis natin ay yung given. In this case, we have 2.31. Siya ngayon, compared with sa isa pang given na meron tayo, siya yung may pinakaunti na decimal places. It has 2 decimal places. So therefore, ira-round off natin itong si 3.896 as 3.90. Paano naging 3.90? So 'di ba, pag mag-ano tayo, magmula sa left side, tapos yung number of decimal places 1, 2. So si 9 yung second decimal place natin. Pero i-consider again natin yung number after nyan kung mag-a-add tayo kay 9. In this case, yung 6 ay nasa rule or nasa range na mag-a-add tayo ng 1. So, plus 1 tayo. However, 9 plus 1 magiging 10. Plus 1 din tayo kay 8. Okay, so magiging 3.90 yung answer natin. Next, we have 0.954 minus 0.3109. So, yung unang number or yung unang given, it has 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3. And then yung sumunod, 1, 2, 3, 4, it has 4 decimal places. So yung final answer natin, naka-round off dapat sa 3 decimal place. So the answer will be 0.6431. Okay, so again, kung manual, ganun lang din katulad sa taas. Magkakapantay yung mga decimal points. And then rounded into 3 decimal places. So ito ngayon ay 0.643 na lamang. Hindi natin i-consider yung 1, hindi natin siyang ipapakita as 0. Okay, kasi pag ginawa natin yung 0 at isinama natin sa final answer natin, 4 decimal places na siya. And finally, ito magkakasama that may addition and subtraction. 7.4580 minus 1.22 plus 0.386. So yung unang given, it has 4 decimal place. Yung sumunod ay 2 lang. And yung isa ay 3. So again, our answer must be rounded into 2 decimal places kasi yan yung pinakaunti. Now, kung magkakasama yung subtraction tsaka addition, unahin natin yung operation na nauna from the left. So hindi tayo strictly na dapat addition muna kasi PEMDAS, 'di ba? Yun ang thinking ng karamihan PEMDAS. So addition muna tapos subtraction. In a correct pattern of operation ng addition and subtraction, we will operate the values starting from the left side. Okay, so no matter what kung subtraction na mauna katulad dito, edi magsasubtract muna tayo. And then afterwards, tsaka tayo mag-add. Now, nonetheless, if we perform this operation, ang answer na natin ngayon ay 6.624. Pero dahil ito ngayon ay naka 2 decimal places na dapat natin ipakita as our answer, we will have 6.62. So, ayan na yung addition and subtraction of significant figures. Of course, kung kinakailangan maglagay ng units of measurements, let us say meters, kilometers, o kaya meters per second, yan, lagyan nyo syempre. So, this is the general process. Again, in addition and subtraction, yung final answer natin must be in the least number of decimal place. Next, we have the multiplication and the division of radicals. So, halos parehas lang talaga sa addition and subtraction. However, yung final answer natin this time must be in the least number of significant figures. Kaya yung number 1 process natin, dito talaga mas magagamit. Yung counting the number of significant figures for each given. So, ika-count natin pa isa-isa yung mga yung number of significant figures. And yung pinakaunti, yun ay consider natin as our answer. So we have here on the right side 2.10 being multiplied to 0.5896. So yung 2.10, it has 3 SF. Yung sumunod na given, it has 4 SF. So pag multiply natin ito, we will have 1.23816. In most cases, i-add ko lang ito if our answer is in continuous decimal. Madalas yung mga answer na hindi pa naka-round off into significant figures, pinapakita na lang into 4 decimal places. So in this case, 1.3816 ang lumabas sa calculator, ipakita ninyo as, let us say, a raw answer of 1.2382. Okay, so rounded into 4 decimal place. Yung answer natin na ito, si 1.2382, pakita natin into 3SF kasi least number. So, magiging 1.24. So, ito na yung magiging final answer natin. Rounded into 3 significant figures. So, syempre from the left, so 1, 2, 3. So, yung third number natin or yung third significant natin is 3. However, si 8, i-consider natin kung mag-a-add 1 tayo. And in this case, yes, we will add 1 doon sa 3. So, kaya siya naging 1.24. Si 8 at saka si 2, hindi natin ipapakita ng 0. Hindi natin siya papakita as placeholders. Kasi pag pinakita natin yan, makakonsider siya as significant. So, hindi na siya rounded into 3SF. Naging 5 significant na siya. Next, we have 16.10 divided by 2.7. Si 16.10 has 4 significant. And si 2.7 has 2 significant. So, yung final answer natin must be expressed into 2 significant figures only. So, 16.10 divided by 2.7. So, ayan, continuous ang ating answer. And again, ipakita na lang natin siya into 4 decimal places as our raw answer. So, we will have 5.9630. So, again, starting from the left. So, si 5 at saka si 9. Again, consider natin yung third number na 6. Mag-a-add 1 tayo. And dahil 9 na nga ito, mag-a-add 1 tayo dito. So, therefore, ang magiging final answer natin will be 6.0. So, 6.0 ay papakita natin not only 6 at hindi na tayo magdadagdag pa ng iba pang zeros. Bakit natin consider yung 0? Para mapakita natin that our final answer is in 2 significant figures. Kasi kung 6 lang, edi syempre 1 significant lang yan. So, yung 0, since it is a trailing 0, it will be considered as a significant counting into the required number of significance na meron tayo dapat. And finally, we have 9.80 times 5.275 divided by 3.5. So, si 9.80, it has 3 significant, considering also si 0 as trailing 0. Si 5.275, it has 4 SF, and then si 3.5 2 SF. So, yung final answer natin must be expressed into 2 significant figures. So, yung answer natin magiging 14.77. Pero dahil 2 significant lang, So si 1 at saka si 4, hanggang kay 4 lang dapat tayo, but also considering 7 na mag-a-add tayo kay 4. So therefore, ang final answer natin ay 15. Again, yung dalawang 7 sa dulo, hindi natin papakita as 0. Hindi natin siya isasama as final answer because it will be considered as significant. So, hindi na siya 2 significant. Magiging 4 significant figures na siya. So, ayan, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for listening and watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel para mas maging updated pa tayo sa lahat ng videos in all of science and math topics. So, hopefully you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye-bye!